In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to Google Sheets. This process will help you seamlessly keep track of all your important events directly in a spreadsheet, allowing you to analyze and manage your schedule more effectively. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Google Sheets. This will be the place where we import your calendar events, making it easier to access and organize them as needed. Once you've opened up a sheet, you'll want to move on to the next step. Click on the Extensions tab in the menu bar located at the top. From there, you'll see an option for add-ons. Hover over this and then click on Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is full of apps and tools designed to enhance your experience with Google Sheets. In the search bar of the Google Workspace Marketplace, type in Sheets 2GCal. This specific add-on is what we'll use to create the connection between your Google Calendar and your spreadsheet. Once you have located Sheets 2GCal, simply click on it to view more details about this powerful tool. When you find the right add-on, you'll notice an Install button prominently displayed. Click on Install. Depending on your security settings, a series of prompts might appear asking for permissions to access your calendar and sheets. Rest assured, these are necessary for the add-on to work effectively, so go ahead and grant permissions. With Sheets 2GCal now installed, return to your Google Sheets. Click on the Extensions tab again, but this time select Sheets 2GCal from the drop-down menu. Here you'll find an option to import calendar to sheet. Select it and you're halfway through the process. You'll need to decide which specific Google Calendar you want to import. If you're juggling multiple calendars, take a moment to ensure you've selected the one that suits your needs for this integration. Once you've made your decision, proceed to the next step. Click on the Clear Sheet and Import Calendar option. What this does is it empties any existing data in your current sheet, then imports all the upcoming events from your selected calendar. Be careful with this step as it will remove any data that was previously in your sheet. The add-on will now work its magic, pulling in all the details from your calendar into your spreadsheet. You'll likely see a confirmation dialog box appear, reassuring you that everything is in order. When this pops up, go ahead and click Yes to confirm the import. And there you have it. Sheets 2GCal will seamlessly import your calendar events into either a new sheet or one you've linked specifically. You're now ready to enjoy organized, systematic access to your schedule right from Google Sheets. Remember, this setup not only saves you time, but helps in keeping your life streamlined and productive. Happy organizing!